like to talk to you about the proper use and maintenance of a leaf blower. Gas-powered leaf blowers do require some maintenance from time to time. One item of primary concern is keeping the air filter clean. In this particular model, it's just a couple clips allow you to remove the cover to the air filter. The air filter would be removed using some mild dish detergent and soapy water. This filter could be washed out, allow it to fully dry, and then spray the filter with some type of household oil, whether it be WD-40 or something comparable. But the oil will help the filter trap more dirt. Then reinstall your filter. And reattach the cover, and that takes care of the filter. Another area of maintenance might require that you replace the spark plug from time to time.